Ever wondered why some projects thrive while others struggle to cross the finish line? Well, it often boils down to one crucial element: effective project management. Take, for instance, the case of Technovo, an emerging technology firm. They had a brilliant idea for a groundbreaking app, but faced countless roadblocks in the development phase. The team was passionate and skilled, yet they found themselves missing deadlines, overspending, and struggling to coordinate their efforts. Enter AlphaFam Management Consulting. With a wealth of experience and a keen understanding of project management, AlphaFam was able to steer the ship in the right direction. They started by identifying the root cause of the problems: a lack of clear communication channels and a vague project plan. AlphaFam's consultants introduced a comprehensive project management system, outlining every step of the process from inception to completion. This roadmap became the team's guide, providing a clear path to follow and eliminating confusion. Next, they implemented a robust communication strategy, ensuring every team member was in the loop and on the same page. This encouraged collaboration and helped identify potential issues before they became major problems. The result? Within 6 months, Technovo was back on track. They launched their app on time, within budget, and to rave reviews. But the benefits didn't stop there. The systems and strategies AlphaFam implemented became a part of Technovo's DNA. The company continued to thrive, launching successful projects one after the other. This is the power of effective project management. It's not just about getting a single project across the finish line. It's about creating a framework for consistent, ongoing success. And that's what AlphaFam Management Consulting delivers. Imagine what they could do for your business. Picture your projects running smoothly, your team working in harmony, and your success becoming the norm, not the exception. Consider the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're not just guessing your way through, but following a proven path to success. So don't wait. Make the decision to invest in your business's future. Choose AlphaFam Management Consulting, because success isn't accidental, it's planned. As we've seen from the transformation of Technovo, project management consultants like AlphaFam offer a wealth of benefits. With expertise across various industries, they bring a broad perspective and deep knowledge of best practices, allowing them to adapt strategies to suit different project requirements. They provide an impartial and objective viewpoint, uninfluenced by internal politics or biases, making decisions solely based on what is best for the project and your objectives. Project management consultants also have specialized skills in areas like risk management, stakeholder communication, or resource allocation. They tackle complex project challenges effectively, ensuring smooth execution. Furthermore, their flexibility in resource allocation is a boon. You can engage them for short-term projects or specific tasks without the long-term commitment and overhead costs associated with hiring full-time employees. Their singular focus on the project at hand, devoid of internal responsibilities or competing projects, ensures efficient and effective delivery of results. They're adept at identifying potential risks and implementing mitigation strategies, minimizing project disruptions. Working with consultants also provides an opportunity for knowledge transfer, where your internal teams can learn new techniques and approaches that can be applied to future projects. While hiring consultants may seem initially expensive, it can be more cost-effective in the long run. You can avoid the overhead costs associated with hiring full-time employees, while still benefiting from the expertise of experienced professionals. Whether it's ramping up resources during peak periods or scaling down during slower times, consultants offer scalability that aligns with your needs. Ultimately, project management consultants are focused on delivering results. Their success and reputation depend on their ability to meet or exceed your expectations, driving them to strive for excellence in project delivery. So, when you consider the value they bring, it's clear that project management consulting is an investment worth making. Choose AlphaFam Management Consulting, because your success isn't accidental, it's planned.